subtract. Kunin mo na yung LCD. So, i-factor muna natin to. X squared minus 36. Ang factor niya is x minus 6 and then x plus 6. Then, copy natin itong x minus 6. So, tingnan natin. Mayroon tayong common expression x minus 6. So, isulat lang natin yan as 1. And yung x plus 6. So, ito na ngayon ang ating LCD. Okay. So, bring down 4x over, so yung x squared minus 36, pwede natin i-rewrite sa kanyang factors. And so, x minus 6. So, LCD natin ay x minus 6 and x plus 6. So, itapat lang natin dito. So, x minus 6, ito yung LCD. I-divide dito. Meron tayong x minus 6, x plus 6. So, cancel. So, 1 ang natira. Kaya, lagyan dito yung 1 times 4x. And minus. So, another. Dito naman, we have LCD. And then, yung denominator, x minus 6. Cancel. Ang natira ay x plus 6. Kaya, lagyan dito yung x plus 6 times 2. Yeah. So, distributive, 1 times 4x, 4x minus x times 2 is 2x, 6 times 2, 12. Okay, so distribute natin yung minus. So, negative times 2x, negative 2x, negative times 12, negative 12. So, 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 12, x minus 6. So, pwede itong i-factor ang 2x minus 12. So, ilabas na ang GCF ay 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. Negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6 over x minus 6, x plus 6. Cancel ang common terms. Ang iwan ay 2 over x plus 6. Ito yung sagot.